students, my name is Purnima Gupta and I'm working as an assistant professor at IMS Ghaziabad University Courses campus. And in this video lecture, I'm going to tell you about dictionary in Python. What is dictionary? As we know, Python has a many type of data structure and we can say data types. And in the same way, there is a dictionary, tuples, list and sets are there. And in this video lecture, I'm going to describe about dictionary in Python. What is dictionary? Dictionary is an unordered collection of data values used to store data values like a map, which unlike other data type that hold only single value as an element. But dictionary holds key value pair. Key value is provided in the dictionary to make it more optimized. Each key value pair in a dictionary is separated by a colon, whereas each key is separated by a comma. And we can say simply, dictionary is in Python works similar to the dictionary in a real world that have key value pair. How to create a dictionary? Let's discuss. Creating a dictionary is as simple as placing item inside curly braces separated by comma, and an item has a key and the corresponding value expressed as a pair key value. Let's see, there are many ways to create a dictionary. Just like wave 1, how to create empty dictionary. Empty dictionary you can create using curly braces, empty curly braces. It does not have any elements as you can see here. If you want to create a dictionary with integer key, then you can write dictionary name is equal to key and then its value and then comma, second key and its value. Like here, it has written 1 and 2 is a key and its value are apple and ball. If you want to create a dictionary with mixed keys, then you can see here as an example, name is John and 1 is a key that have values 2, 4 and 3. Means we can say that a dictionary can also contain a list in a value. Way 2, here is describing second way how to create a dictionary. We are going to create a dictionary using dict function. You can write any variable name and then equal to, and a function we are going to use, that name is dict, dictionary in short, dict, and then parenthesis, and in that parenthesis you can pass key value. Just like here, in the parenthesis we have further write curly braces, then 1 is key and 2 is key, and apple and ball is further a value. Means they are key value pair. From in the second way, we can see here second example, from sequence having each item as a pair. You can write here using dict function. In a similar way, we can write dict function using parenthesis, and then you can write a square bracket, and within a square bracket you can write a value as a form of key value. Just like if you want to create a dictionary that have 3 key values pair, then you can write 1 apple, 2 ball, C cat in the same way. Okay, now let's see an example. Just like here, I'm using a variable name user1 and dict function where name is equal to Purnima and contact is given a number. And if you want to print, then you can simply write a print function and pass within print function in the parenthesis you can pass the variable name, that is user1. Then it will revert you a output. And what is the output? Output, obviously it is dictionary, that means the output will be in the form of key value. name Purnima, and then contact is given in integer number. Okay. Now let's discuss third way. In the third way, you can simply write dict function, and then you can write a key value pair in small bracket. First you have to write parenthesis, then square bracket, and then square bracket, further create parenthesis and write key value pair in separate using comma value. Here name is Riya and age is 4. Now I'm going to tell you about last way, that is fourth way. You can write in this form also, or we can say you can create a dictionary in that form also. Just like if you want to create a dictionary, empty dictionary, then you have to write only variable name and then equal to is equal to parenthesis. Sorry, it's a curly braces. Obviously, we can use different parentheses or square bracket or curly braces for different data types, for list, for dictionary, or for tuple. Okay, but here I'm discussing about dictionary, so we have to use only curly braces. Okay, you can also assign a value in dictionary using in this form, just like I have created an empty dictionary first, and after that I have written here dict2 and in a square bracket name and then equal to Radhe. That means name is a key and value is Radhe. And if you want to assign in separate line, you can simply write it in this form also. And here another key value pair is age, that value is 40. Then I have written here dict2, then age is equal to 40. That means I have two key value pair. First is name is equal to Radhe and second is age is equal to 40. Then when you will print dict2, then you will get name is equal to Radhe and age is equal to 40. So here we have discussed how to create a dictionary in simple way. Okay, thank you dear.